Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to talk about the latest software update beta version Realme UI 3.0 in the Realme X and Max device. Yes friends, just today only I did receive another update regarding the beta version which is 184 MB. This beta version will be able to fix all the issues which the Realme users are actually facing in the edge lighting effect. Yes friends, finally we did get that kind of update as well, as you can clearly see. So if you try to activate the edge lighting effect, you won't be able to get any kind of power home button and menu button, and even the power on and off button as well, it won't get activated. As you can see, you cannot even turn off and on the phone as well if you try to activate the edge lighting effect. That's what I did do, and I did activate as well. Now I was unable to use it. So to avoid this kind of problem, you need to schedule the power on and off mode, then the problem will get automatically fixed. But right now we got the update, right? So let's do the update and I'll try to see whether the problem got actually fixed in this Realme X and Max device or not. So this is just small update only, which is a 184 MB update, and you can see all the features and bugs which got fixed. Fix the problem with the volume key menu disappearing after clicking edge lighting effect. Yes, so volume buttons are not working. As you can see friends, volume buttons are not working. So this is just an basic beta version only. There will be a lot of bugs like this, but it's good that the Realme they did fix it. Wow, that's pretty fast. So that's really great to see this kind of fixed problem with this kind of issues. So let's see friends, what are the other beta version problems which are actually facing. The Realme should fix it, maybe with the battery draining. So that might be another thing the Realme should focus on, fixing those kind of things. So finally friends, this is the update which the Realme X and Max Realme UI 3.0 users only will receive this update. Not everyone, only this beta version who actually install and who are actually facing these issues, only those users will receive this update at this moment. And right now the battery percentage is 75%, and it's good to go. And still I did not get any kind of power button, home button and menu button. Let's see friends, after complete installation, whether the problem will be getting fixed or not. So let me know in the comment section below friends, how many of the users are actually facing this kind of issues in the Realme X and Max device regarding the edge lighting effect. So right now the installation has been finished in the phone, as you can clearly see friends. Let's see what happens overall after this update, whether the problem will get fixed or not. So right now the phone got completely restarted friends. Let me do check the settings and let's see what happens. I think finally the home button is completely got fixed, as you can see. So before updating, you did not see any kind of button as well, and right now the volume button is also working perfectly fine, and power menu is also working perfectly fine, as you can see. Now let me open the edge lighting effect and let's see what happens. So is it causing any kind of issues? Now there is no issues at all. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and this is a quick details about the latest software update in this device. Meanwhile, signing off until then, bye.